I'm Mr. B, and today we're going to be looking at magnetic drain plugs. Okay, so last time that I did the oil change in this car right here, this is a 2017 Volkswagen Jetta GLI with a 2-liter engine. I installed a $7 magnetic drain plug that I got off of Amazon. And what I'm going to see today when I do the second oil change, it's been about 5,000 miles, is to see if that magnetic drain plug has actually picked up any sediment, anything that we would really have a problem with circulating through our oil. So, especially in older model or higher mileage vehicles, if you've ever done an oil pan gasket or anything on that, when you take the oil pan down, a lot of times we see sediment in the bottom of the oil pan. And sometimes the sediment can get stirred up, things like that, and get circulated through the engine, which can damage engine components. So what a magnetic drain plug is supposed to do is to keep that sludge and that sediment down to a minimum by attaching to the drain plug. So every time you change your oil, you take your drain plug out and you inspect it, make sure there's not heavy metal components on it, and you wipe it off, clean it off, and put it back on. So they actually have also, if you have a metal oil filter, they have magnetic bands that you can put around the oil filter, and it's supposed to trap that as well. But since we have a cartridge filter, we can't do that. So we're going to try this magnetic drain plug and see what we get. So stick around and see what we get. So we're just going to go ahead and drain the oil. Get that position just right. Get a rag here. While this is draining, let's take a look. Okay, so I got this out. This is kind of hot, so that's why I'm holding it with a rag. And you can see on the edge here, it's kind of hard to tell with the camera, but there's little shiny pieces, and that is that sludge that otherwise would not be caught by this drain plug. So for the cost of this, $7 on Amazon, it's a pretty quality piece. It fits up in there correctly. The crush washer and everything fits. I do believe this is a good deal. So I'm going to put the link to this plug again in this video or in the video description. And if you have a car like this, then you can get one of these plugs. If not, just Google or go to a forum or something and ask what size your drain plug is. They sell these things pretty much everywhere. You can get one at AutoZone, you can get one at Vance, but I just ordered mine on Amazon since I was getting the oil and the filter there anyway. So yeah, I recommend one of these. I'd also recommend, if you have an automatic transmission, to make sure your drain plug is a magnet in that as well. Or if you have a manual transmission, any drain plug that you can magnetize will be to your benefit. For how much it costs, $7 investment, this may catch a chunk of metal that can scar up a bearing or something like that. So this is okay. Well, that about does it for this video here. I just wanted to quickly just tell you to like and subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying these videos. I am definitely enjoying making these videos and getting this information out. I feel it's a way to give back after my 22 years of experience in this field. So like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please just shoot me a line in the comments, and I can do my best to get back with you on this. But thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.